Hello and a warm welcome to the English Language Laboratory's Word of the Day series by TELLS Videtionary. In this series, we pick a new English word every day, provide the correct spelling of the word telling you how many alphabets make up the word, find which part of speech the word falls into, explain its meaning, look for any similar words where possible and finally explore how it could be used in a sentence. Do you have a word collection? How many words have you collected? Are you having difficulties understanding English words? Confused about how to use words in a sentence? Or do you just want to refresh your English vocabulary? Then join us and learn in a fun and easy way. Like and share this video, subscribe to this channel and don't forget to turn on the notification bell so you receive similar videos every day. We'd love to hear from you, so make sure you leave a comment after every video. All comments are welcome. Now let's dive into the video. Hello everyone. Welcome to TELLS Videtionary. Today, September 6th, our word of the day is relegate. R-E-L-E-G-A-T-E. Relegate. Relegate is an 8-letter word and a verb. Remember, verbs are words that show action, occurrence, or state of being. Relegate means to put someone or something into a lower or less important rank or position. If the star striker of the soccer team stops scoring goals, he might be relegated to the position of bench warmer. Similar words include downgrade, lower, lower in rank, lower in status, put down, move down, demote, bump. Examples of sentences using relegate are: I'm so pleased that he has been relegated to another set of duties. She resigned when she was relegated to a desk job. The story was relegated to the middle pages of the paper. Women tended to be relegated to typing and filing jobs. If Southampton loses again, they may be relegated from the Premier League to the First Division. The bill has been relegated to the committee for discussion. Make sure to save this new word, relegate, so you can practice using it in your everyday sentences. That's all for today. Thank you for spending your time with me. I hope you learnt something new. Don't forget to like and share this video, subscribe to this channel and hit the notification bell so you receive similar videos every day. Have a fulfilling day. See you tomorrow. Cheers.